I want to share how you connect a Yamaha PSS-A50, this small Yamaha keyboard, to an iPad. This one is just a normal iPad 9, and I'm using this USB camera kit that I got from Amazon for 23 Australian dollar. And yep, all you need to do is just connect your USB cable, one to the adapter, the camera adapter kit, and then the other end to this Yamaha keyboard, and then you plug in the lightning port here. That's it. And I'm using this Harman Kardon Bluetooth speaker. Why I'm using this? Because it has a 3.5 millimeter audio jack, so I will not have delay on the MIDI sound. And I'm using the app Music Studio app. And I turn on this A50, and what I usually do is I turn the volume down all the way to 0, so I will not hear the sound from here. I only hear the sound from the iPad. Okay, so and it's receive MIDI from all channels, so it doesn't matter which channel you select here on your A50, it will just receive any note from this keyboard. So now this is the piano sound, and you can choose the instrument here. You have the orchestral sing, or choose the church organ. It. And then if you want to make a song, you can create a complete song using the software, the Music Studio software. And the first one I'm going to choose instrument is piano. Okay, go back to track number 1, and then hit the metronome, so we are in tempo, and then press the record button. Now the bass, acoustic electric bass, channel number 2. Oh no, I should change track first. I should add track first. Now I have to go back and then choose the first track instrument. Now I add another track here, and then I choose the bass sound from band, and then acoustic electric bass. Okay, now press record. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I add another track. Put drum kit. This one is drum kit. And it has to be -1 octave, the octave, because if you put it on 0, it doesn't really match to the sound of the drums. So I put it in -1, and okay, hit the record button. Now I add the melody, add another MIDI channel, and then try to find whatever I can find to maybe a French horn. Okay. Okay, I just use this one. Go back to track and then hit the record button. That's it. So now we have a complete song.